Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. Right now, we are still talking about football. This is because Super Eagles of Nigeria is involved, and Super Eagles of Nigeria is a team that brings joy to Nigerians when they perform well. And anything that will hinder their performance, we have to talk about it and give our own input on how to make it better. Now, some northern identities, if you like, have been calling out Super Eagles coach Finidi George for not inviting players of northern extraction ahead of the World Cup qualifiers between Nigeria and South Africa and Benin Republic. However, social media critic and human rights activist Aisha Yusufu has tackled those pushing for what she called quota system in the Super Eagles, saying the North should invest more in children, insisting that there are many Ronaldos and Messis on the streets of northern Nigeria who are operating as almajiris, so that say in the streets of northern Nigeria you have people who are almajiris, but they are potential Messis and Ronaldos of this world, that they should be harnessed for football and sports development in general, sort of. Her statement followed a report in a section of the media that a football enthusiast, Kabiru Yakasai, queried the inclusion of only one player from the North in the present Super Eagles squad for the 2026 World Cup qualifiers against South Africa and Benin Republic. Yakasai said the North, with her enormous contribution to Nigerian football, deserve more players in the senior national team. According to him, Super Eagles coach Finidi George, Finidi George's decision to overlook the North in his selection of players is a violation of the traditional mix of southern and northern players in the Super Eagles squad, saying that this is a departure from the historical unity that is being brought by mixing players from the north and south. Now, Yakasai added that Finidi's selection raises concern about the team's cohesion and Nigerian football identity. However, Aisha Yusufu, in a post on her verified X handle, said that she did not agree with this Yakasai. She stressed that the statement amounts to bringing in quota system, which she argued has destroyed Nigeria. Okay, said that quota system has destroyed Nigeria, and that Yakasai want to bring something that has destroyed Nigeria into one thing that currently unites Nigeria, which is football, particularly Super Eagles. She said, "I agree. The North should invest more in children. Many Ronaldos and Messis are roaming the streets as almajiris. Those talents, if nurtured, can end up making up even 90% of the national squad. We want to bring in quota system that has destroyed Nigeria into one thing that currently unites Nigeria. Just imagine." So Aisha Yusufu has spoken a lot in that small space, but one thing she mentioned that needs clarity is that he said that the North should invest more in sports. I don't think that the South is investing more than North in sports. It's just that because of some cultural differences. Look at somebody like Asisat Oshoala. She's a Muslim from South. From North, I think from Quota state or thereabout. I don't know. I can't remember her state. But in most part of the north, they don't encourage footballers, female, to play football like to be going to professional football. I'm yet to see a Muslim from the core north who's a lady who's into football at that level. And Asisat is probably the best in Africa right now. Now, I don't think there is anything that southern Nigerian governments are doing that the north are not doing. The only difference is that the individual ambition of southern Nigerian players to succeed. For example, there are many Nigerian southern players who are ready to cross the desert to migrate to Europe just to play football. I don't think that's the kind of that kind of passion is not found among core northern Muslim footballers in Nigeria to go to that extent to go and play football abroad. And if you look at most of those that Finidi selected, these are people who are playing at the highest level. And if you look at the English Premiership, most of the people who are playing at the highest level there, they are all from southern Nigeria. You go to the Bundesliga, most Nigerians who are playing there, they are from southern Nigeria. You go to La Liga, most Nigerians who are playing there are from southern Nigeria. You go to Serie A in Italy, most Nigerians who are playing there are from southern Nigeria. Okay, it's not that there is anything southern Nigerian governments have done different. It's like Lukman, who is the rev of the moment. He's not a creation of his state governor in Nigeria here. This guy was nurtured in England, and he's not alone. There are several players who are invited for this team that they were not even born in Nigeria here. But because the coach needs to get results, because the result of football matches matters. So it's not where you experiment, do quota system. The coach will fail, and if you fail, he'll be sacked. This is because football is not like civil service work, where your mistakes can be tolerated, your juniors or seniors can help you get over some problem, even when you are appointed to position you don't merit. That is different. In football, you must select your best. And the level of African football right now, there's no space for experimentation. I can tell you for free that if there are northern players who are playing in top flight football in La Liga, in English Premiership, in Serie A, in Bundesliga, and all these top leagues around the world, they will be invited. There's no doubt about it. Because Finidi George, like every other coach, want to achieve results. Nobody wants to be a failed coach. Nobody wants to be kicked out of the World Cup at this stage. You want to achieve results. You want to win. Finidi want to win. I can tell you that for free. I'm not Finidi, but I can enter his mind to know that he wants to win. He wants to show that he is capable of doing is taking Nigeria to the World Cup. Finidi George was given only 1 year contract allegedly. It was an insult. It's an insult, but it's because he's a local coach. But even though being a local coach, he wants to prove a point. He wants to show that he can succeed. He wants to show that he can take Nigeria to the World Cup. He is going to take the best. Even if you are from Bayelsa, his home state, he can't take you and put you in the Super Eagles squad. That's a fact. He can't put you there. If you are not playing top flight football in Europe, he won't be there. Can't say because you are my kinsman from Bayelsa, he's going to put you there. He won't put you there. He's looking for the best. He wants to achieve results. And Nigeria is demanding only the best. That is enough for us. We can't tolerate mediocrity in the Super Eagles of Nigeria. We must put our best so that when we lose, we know that our best could make it. We can endure that. We can tolerate it. But not when you go and bring mediocres or you go and bring people as a result of quota system. Then when you lose, you don't even have any genuine explanation because you have the best of the best. You didn't pick them. So it's not that Finidi is against Northern footballers. I don't think so. It is not that he's against players from North. No. It is just that he wants to win. And Super Eagles is meant for those who are playing top flight football in Europe. That is why it is even difficult for you to get home-based players now in Super Eagles. Because to be frank, with the demand of Nigeria, the critical demand of Nigerians for success, if you experiment with local players, whether they are from South or not, you carry the can when you lose, you'll be sacked. NFF doesn't have no mercy for you. You are a local coach. Even for a foreign coach, you have seen all the foreign coaches we have brought into this country. They have always gone after the tested players in Europe. That's the way it is all over the world. If you go to the Copa America now that they are preparing to start, if you go for Copa America, the people you're going to see there are players from Barcelona, players from Real Madrid, players from Man City. That's what we're going to see in the Brazilian squad. That is the way it is all over the world. Now, if you're not playing in all those high-profile clubs around the world, many coaches will not take you. So it's not a question of blaming the coach that he didn't pick from this side or that side. It is a question of those who are playing top-flight football. Incidentally, most of them in Nigeria, they are from southern Nigeria. That is where it is the way it is. So let nobody blame Finidi. Let everybody pray for the team to win. Okay? National cohesion for victory for Super Eagles against South Africa and Benin Republic. I saw on social media where people who are thinking like Kabiru Yakasa saying that they wish Nigeria not to win because of the selection process. That's wrong. The match is not between Finidi George and South Africa. It's not between Finidi George and Benin Republic. It is Nigeria Super Eagles versus Bafana. It's Nigeria versus Benin Republic. It's all about who goes to the World Cup in 2026 from that group. So it's not a question of picking on Finidi. It is a question of ensuring that the best that we have now, that they succeed, and that we pray for them to succeed. And don't wish them bad luck. Wish them good luck, because they are representing Nigeria, irrespective of the geographic location from where they were picked from. That's my take on this. Thank you for watching this video, and if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you, and please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.